What's going on?
My boyfriend, I was cooking and shit, and he's like, you need to pull it right now before you end up cooking in the car and some shit. And I'm trying. I ain't gonna lie though, I don't feel good.
All right. Where are you guys coming from?
My house.
Huh?
My house. I'm trying to go to Strong.
Where's your house at?
251 pulling up this way one.
You got any ID on you, your license?
I don't have a license. I'm not gonna lie to you. Can I sit though?
Yeah, go ahead, have a seat, dear.
Oh. I wouldn't come too close.
You alright? Oh, that's not good. Mind if I open this door and talk to you? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
What's going on, man?
Nah, so we was trying to hurry up and hurry up and get up there.
Where are you guys coming from?
We coming from her house. She said she was.
Where's their house at? Is there anything in the car I need to know about?
Nah. Just trying to get her to the house.
There was an incident down the road, and they said that your car was in the area, and that left that area immediately after.
What incident? Like, what the fuck going on? Cause we just trying to get to the hospital.
You guys are just trying to get to the hospital? Did she need us to get her an ambulance?
I mean, you can ask her. That was the point. That's why we was. That's why we was trying to get her. We was trying to get her to the hospital. She was in pain.
Okay.
We was trying to get her there.
You guys got IDs on you?
Nah, we was actually in a rush. That's why.
Is this guy all right? Because you're sweating and I can't like really talk to you.
Oh no.
Okay. You can roll the window down. Oh, it ain't on? Okay.
Yeah, the child lock on.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, the child lock.
Okay. You guys got ID on you?
Nah, I told you we was in a rush. We was just trying to.
Okay. Neither does your man? You don't got ID either? Okay. Can you spell your first name? Oh, we're trying to figure that out. Why don't you guys hang tight, though? He gave me a big name. You good if I open this door to talk to you? What?
I can't hear you, dude.
I can't hear you. What? Oh, God! Shots fired. Let me see your hands. I'm good. He's still moving. Show me your hands.
6-1, that's right, still moving.
Stop moving.
We're gonna need.
You all right? You all right? Start walking backwards towards my car. That way. Okay. You're not, man. Nice and slow. You good if I open this door to talk to you? What?
Can't hear you, dude.
I can't hear you. What? Gun! Drop it! 6-1 gun. 6-1 shots fired. 6-1 shots fired. Hands right now! Hands right now! Are you good? We're good. Coming up on your left.
Hey, I'm gonna use you two as my Frenchie, hit him real quick with the shield. Hit him with the shield.
Guns down by his hand. Got the gun.
See if we grab him out.
Gun secure.
Okay. Alright, yeah, gun secure.
Yep.
Where is it?
Right here.
Alright. Yeah, throw on.